So if you didn't know, Swapsy is a peer-to-peer platform where you can change USD to RMB and RMB to USD if you have a US and Chinese bank account. But what if you're European and you want to change RMB to Euro and vice versa? Well, I came up with an idea where I need your help, so stay tuned and let's do this together. So how Swapsy came to light is that there were a bunch of students that were studying in the USA that needed a way to get USD quickly, but they only had RMB in their funds back at home in China. So like, man, how can we solve this problem? And I'm sure we're not the only ones in this market that require this assistance. And they didn't like going to the bank branches and dealing with all that paperwork, because if you're a foreigner in China and you ever had to exchange currencies in China, you know they ask for a plethora of paperwork. And most of the time, the requirements are different based on different bank branches. They can feel like, hey, I need your tax records, or hey, I don't need your tax records. Although the transactions are a small amount, maybe between 1 to 2,000 USD each transaction, at least it's a means for you to swap currencies with other people in a legitimate platform. But then comes the question, what about the European market? They used to have Euro and British pounds in there, but now they changed it. And I wonder if it's the regulations part. Well, this is where I need your help. And to do this, we're gonna have to do a collective effort with my subscribers and anyone you know that may be in the same situation to actually make it happen. So Swapsy actually has pretty good customer service. They have an English channel and a Chinese channel. Well, here's what we should do together. I've already contacted the customer service on WeChat and didn't have much luck. They said they're gonna talk to their R&D to consider the situation and maybe have this function available, but it didn't sound too convincing. So this is where you guys come in. So up here, I'm gonna post 2 QR codes, one for their Chinese customer service and one for their English customer service. Note that this is through WeChat, so you must have a WeChat account to go ahead and do this. If you already use a platform, this is even better because then they can look up your information on the platform and then say, okay, this can expand to different markets. What we would like you guys to do is to contact them directly using WeChat. Use both of them, the more the merrier. Message them saying something like this: I really enjoy using your platform, however, there's a large market for RMB to Euro and vice versa. When are you gonna have this functionality available? And pretty much just keep harping them. If they hear it from one person, they'll be like, we'll consider it. If they hear it from many people, from many areas that already use their platform, I will then have hope that they may accelerate the development of this feature. Because we all know going to the bank branch is annoying. We all know it is a pain. So to have this available for people in Europe, it would be great. Now, they do need a link on the other side. So in China, they can use Alipay or WeChat to go ahead and transfer money within China. But in Europe, they're gonna need something else. So what I recommended them to look into is TransferWise. TransferWise is a platform that you can actually transfer money pretty much all around the world except China. And it's really convenient to switch money between like a Greek bank account to a British bank account and vice versa. It does the currency exchange for you at a pretty decent rate. So to close the loop, we would have to send money, let's say RMB in WeChat or Alipay, and then the other person on the other end would have to send money using TransferWise. Now this is the recommendation I gave. But if you know other platforms that will work, like TransferWise on the other end, getting Euro after you swap the RMB, let them know. Let them know when you contact them, hey, I want the feature to change RMB to Euro, and you can use this third-party platform that's very popular in Europe to change the money respectively. So the more you let them know, the more you harp them, the more hope I have that they'll have this feature. And if they do have this feature in the future, I'll definitely publish a video about doing it, because I know this is rough times right now. Let's say you used to be in China and you have a rough time getting in because of the new regulations, the whole pandemic, even though it's opening up little by little, you probably don't have a means to get your money from the Chinese bank, right? Because you have limits with the ATMs in your respective country in Europe, and there's no means to swap the transactions. So you have a whole ton of RMB in China, but you can't use it because you're stuck in another country outside of China, maybe somewhere in Europe. So a few of my subscribers did ask me, how can I change my RMB to Euro without going to a bank? Now, as I said, there's no solution right now, but if you guys help me, contact Swapsy's customer service using WeChat. Again, I'll put the QR codes up here again, and harp them on the feature and let them know of third-party platforms that you can transfer Euro easily on the other end. There's a chance. I want to keep trying because I want to make it convenient for everybody that watches my videos, which I greatly appreciate. So if you do know third-party platforms to exchange Euro that's not TransferWise, please let me know in the comments down below. Also let me know if you're willing to go through the effort to contact Swapsy to have them add this feature, because that'd be awesome. The more currencies available, the more beneficial for everybody. Even for Swapsy, the market in Europe is huge. I appreciate you guys' time watching this video. Consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see weekly videos about having a better lifestyle or business in China as a foreigner. Keep surviving, and I'll catch you in the next one.